Manufacturing Industries, Chapter number 6. Let's begin. The first topic, manufacturing industry. Manufacturing is the process of converting raw material into finished goods. Economic growth and development largely depends on a country's ability to manufacture goods. USA, China, Germany, Japan, and Korea are the world's leading industrial nations. Many natural resources cannot be utilized directly. They need to be further processed in such a way that they become utilities. These utilities are called secondary products. Secondary products have a greater value. The process of transforming primary products into secondary products to add to their value is called manufacturing. Any economic activity that is concerned with the production of goods by manufacturing and the provision of such services is referred to as industry. India has made considerable progress. Recently, the government has taken numerous steps and policy decisions to significantly enhance the growth rate of manufacturing and thereby employment also. Presently, in India, the share of manufacturing in employing people is around 16%. It is planned to increase it to 25% by 2025, which will create an additional 90 million jobs. Classification of industries. Industries have been classified into different categories by the National Industrial Classification Code. A general classification can be made on the basis of various criteria. On the basis of raw material used. Agro-based industries such as jute, rubber, and sugar and cotton textile derive their raw material from agriculture. Mineral-based industries use minerals ores as their raw materials. Iron is used as a raw material for manufacturing heavy machineries.